snow we have a hailstone there, we have a storm like a sandstorm. Whatever you get abroad, we have here. So they should go and see it. Thanks.
Problems, Modi?
Sorry.
Any problems?
Problems over there were some people have some breathing problem because of altitude, because they couldn't breathe proper. Yeah, it's like 18,500 like about the sea level, so it was like some people have some problem of breathing. Some people had like small falls, like that's a nice, but nothing happens. Yes, nothing more. But, other than that, there was no problem. 8,000 kilometers this time. Some of them done like half of that because they are taken bikes in Chandigarh and they ridden from Chandigarh and back Chandigarh. So we are ridden from Goa and we did all the Ladakh and came back to Goa. All the riders go like for the here like people here. They should at least go once to Himalayan and they see the Himalaya and come back. And of course they should not forget to see the borders. How our Indian armies are always there, just like saving us. Like we saw them over there, like fighting for us. That we saw eye to eye. They shown us some bunkers and things like this. But I say like everybody should go and see the Himalayas.
जे हार्डशीप जावं कसले सगळ्या एका नेचरा कडेन ते सामना करतात, जे हर तरेचे ऋतू आसता, स्नो पडटात जावं दरड कोसळटात, थंडी वाऱ्याची पर्वा न करता ते बॉर्डरीचेर आमची बॉर्डर रक्षा करता. त्याचे एक्सपिरियन्स आनी ते कशे पद्दतीन करता हे तेंच्यांनी वचून आयज पळयले आनी तेंच्यांनी जे जाणून घेतले ती माहिती आयज आमकां तेंच्यांनी जी खरी रियल दिल्या बद्दल परत तेंच्या जो गोंयचो हो जवळ जवळ 30 जाणांचे जे बुलेटी घेवन हे बॉर्डरीचेर चायना बॉर्डरीचेर गेल्ले. तेतून आमचे म्हापशाचे तशेंच म्हाज्या वॉर्डाचो आमचो जलेश रावत तशें म्हापशाचे जवळ जवळ 7 जाण ह्या मोहिमेन गेल्ले आनी ती मोहीम आयज डिफिकल्टीन सक्सेस करून येयल्या बद्दल म्हापशेकारांच्या वतीन म्हाज्या वॉर्डाच्या वतीन एज अ कावन्सिलर हांव तेंचे मना पासून अभिनंदन करता.
थंयच मनशाक कॉन्फिडन्स येता. इंडियन आर्मी फॉर यू अशें ल्हान बोर्ड लायल्ले आसा. अशें दिसता तो बोर्ड पळोवन की आमकां कोण तरी हेल्प करतलो म्हणून. खरेंच तांकां सॅल्यूट मारपाचें. आमकां एक दीस थंय रावंक जायना पूण ते थंय आख्खे टायम काडटा. आमकां आमचे हे सादे शूज घालूंक जायना, ते एम्युनिशन घेवन सगळे घेवन चलता पळय. रियली वॉल्यूड दिवपाक तांकां.
Video journalist Prakash Gadikar from Mapsa for HCN.